Hello, everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin and what you can expect from that and what has changed since our last discussion of this falling wedge. But before I actually get into the discussion, please make sure to head on over to the YouTube channel and click the subscribe button to stay updated on the hottest trends. Click on the bell icon to stay updated so that you don't miss out on any updates that we put out. Right, you can also follow us on Twitter at FX's Crypto and myself at Mangeko with the zero at the end. Right, let's move on to Dogecoin. Right, I have to explain what happened here. Right, this week is when I expected the price to kind of like produce a close above 0.159 or 1.160. Like a close above this level here, which is a major resistance level, would have been amazing. It would have suggested that the bulls are back in town and that the price is ready to make a higher move. But what's happened is exactly similar to what happened on April 4th. There was a massive sell-off over the course of the week, which led to this this wick that you see here, a tall wick followed by a small body and then a small wick. Right, this candlestick is a clear picture of what happened over the week. It basically gives you a complete description of what happened in the week. Right, there was this so this particular candlestick shows that there was a lot of struggle between buyers and sellers, and that the sellers finally overcame the buyers or the buying pressure, which led to producing this spinning top candlestick. So this is not a good sign, guys. The candlesticks have closed under the upper trend line of the falling wedge. Right. Regardless, we have this weekly demand zone here extending from 0.109 to 0.124. So I believe there's a good chance price is going to bounce off of this level again and then make a move higher. So I'm not concerned. I'm just gonna be buying the dips for Dogecoin, right? As opposed to Shiba Inu, which did amazingly well the last bull run, right? So my thesis on why Dogecoin is going to outperform Shiba Inu this bull run is because Dogecoin kind of was an ignored meme coin the last bull run. Again, take this with a hint of salt because yes, both the coins rallied quite a bit, and if you look at how much Shiba, since 2021. Right, Doge rallied 17,346% in 2021. And yes, it dropped quite a lot, and yes, there is a lot of fair value gap and inefficiencies found between these one-ups. So there is the chance that Dogecoin could like crumble and then fall down to levels like it could drop roughly 88% from where it is right now, but I don't see that happening. I see a mini bull run on the horizon where if not the 68% upswing that the falling wedge predicts to 0.235, there is a good chance Dogecoin is going to run up to 0.156. But over the long term, I still believe Dogecoin has a lot of potential as compared to Shiba Inu, mainly because of what's happening with Elon Musk, Dogecoin, and Twitter. So basically, Elon Musk buying up Twitter, and then I think it was Balaji Srinivasan who kind of, not Balaji, I think it was Balaji Srinivasan who kind of wrote a blog post about how Elon Musk could leverage Twitter and its users and develop a coin. So that kind of stuff. It's an interesting blog. If you guys haven't checked that out, make sure to just go check it out. And all of that said, there could be a new token that Elon Musk develops for Twitter. He may not, he might. Regardless, right? Dogecoin is one of the favorite meme coins for Elon Musk, although you see him occasionally tweeting about these other meme coins as well. But I believe Dogecoin holds a special place for Elon Musk, mainly because of what happened with the SNL and the events leading up to SNL back in 2021. So I think Dogecoin is going to receive a massive support from Elon Musk again. So that is like my main thesis on why Dogecoin is going to outperform Shiba Inu in the upcoming bull run. So yeah, that's why I'm going to be accumulating Dogecoin on every single bit that I find. So, yep, guys, the upside for now, Dogecoin is capped at 0.235. This is from a short to midterm outlook. And the downside, you don't want to see Dogecoin produce a weekly close below 0.109 because that would A, invalidate the weekly demand zone, and then B, it would produce a lower low relative to this low form here on 7th March. Right, that said, if we get a breakdown of the weekly demand zone here, price could come down and dip into this particular liquidity pool, which extends from 0.078 to 0.087, right? this is where you can expect some sort of a resurgence of buyers buying the dip, and you can expect the price to like move between these two levels here, which is 0.16 and 0.08. So yeah, that is pretty much it for Dogecoin, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis and my take on Dogecoin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.